Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In this baking lesson video, I will show you how to make these meringues step by step from scratch. Let's get started. Here's the method for making the perfect meringue. First step, preheat the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Line 2 baking sheets like this with parchment paper. And next, it's all about separating eggs and whipping them to the perfect consistency. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Into these two bowls, I'll separate 8 eggs. In here, I have 8 egg whites. I put 6 egg yolks in here and I put 2 of them aside because I'm going to be turning this into the vanilla pastry cream. The link is up in the card here or in the description below. Next step is to beat the egg whites with sugar. This recipe calls for 2 cups of sugar. 1 cup is granulated sugar and 1 cup is fine granulated sugar or powdered sugar. Into this sugar, mix 1/4 cup of salt and 1/4 cup of cream of tartar. Mix it all up nicely. Next step is to start mixing, initially at low speed, adding a couple tablespoons of sugar and then slowly going up higher speed and continuing to slowly add sugar. Here's the process. I incorporated a few tablespoons of sugar into the egg whites, mixing it at low speed. And now I'm going to be increasing the speed and continuously adding sugar to it. Here's the process. I've incorporated all the sugar into the egg whites. Before I go for a long time at high speed, I will add 1 teaspoon of almond extract. It's possible to do vanilla extract instead, but I do like the almond extract in meringue. So I'm gonna start mixing it a little bit. I incorporated the almond extract and I want to give you the exact time it will take me to beat these egg whites to the right consistency. So here we go. Siri, start stopwatch. I'm gonna set it to full speed and then I'll let you know how long it will take. I'm stopping it, it looks ready, stopping the timer. It's at 7 minutes and 28 seconds. How do I know that this is ready? It doubled in volume, it became very white. As it's mixing on top, it starts to create these little swirls. Here's how you know when the meringue is ready. It forms these beautiful stiff peaks. One of the most thoughtful gifts I received is this beautiful piping bag. Thank you, sister. In here, I will be putting the beautiful meringue. So what you're gonna do is take the piping bag, twist it at the top. Here's the process. Voila, the meringues are ready. I counted 24 meringue clouds, and with the leftover I had, I made these little ones. They're kind of just like meringue candy that you can enjoy on their own. So these go into the oven for 1 hour. Resist you must. They are delicious, but do not open the door. They don't like to be disturbed. You don't want to deflate them. So patiently wait for 1 hour, leave them in there, just look through the door, off they go. Using my favorite assistant, Siri, set timer for 1 hour.
Okay, your timer is set for 1 hour.
The meringues have been in the oven for 1 hour at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I will turn off the oven and leave them in there for 1 hour without opening the door to dry. This completes this part of the baking lesson video where I showed you how to make meringues from scratch. Well, if you're interested in learning how to turn these homemade meringues into mini pavlovas, keep watching. To make these mini pavlovas, make vanilla pastry cream ahead of time. Click the card in the top right corner of this video to go to the baking lesson where I show how to make pastry cream from scratch. Beat 2 cups of heavy cream to 95% completion and then beat the cooled pastry cream to make it smooth. With a spatula, incorporate the 2 creams. Then mix them at high speed for 30 seconds. Wash berries and place the meringue clouds on serving plates. Transfer the cream into a pastry bag and pipe it onto the meringue clouds. Decorate them with berries and enjoy. That's it for this baking lesson video where I showed you how to make meringue from scratch, and then I showed you how to turn this homemade meringue into mini pavlovas. If you've gotten this far in this video, you probably liked it, so give it a thumbs up if you have not already. And then if you look around my channel and you like what you see, please subscribe. I would love to see you again. Bye guys!